Welcome guys. Today I'm going to be looking at PowerPoint. We're going to be introducing PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a good software for presentation, and then you can also use it for animation. You can also use it for little videos, little animations. So while if you don't have PowerPoint installed on your system, you can go to my video on how to install and uninstall applications and see how to install PowerPoint in your system. PowerPoint is usually in a suite, Microsoft Office suite, which includes Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access usually. If you already have it installed, depending on the version, you can go to your Windows Start menu. You go down to, if you're using below Windows version 13, Microsoft Office 13, you'll see it in a folder Microsoft Office. But because I'm using Microsoft Office 2016, it's a standalone. It's not in a folder. When I mean a folder, you see like this PowerPoint, this QuickTime here. It's a folder which is a suite of different stuff. Let's see also Adobe. I have Adobe Master Collection here, and then you see that it's a suite of several other applications. But if you're using, like I said, if you're using 2016 version, you see that they are all standalone. But when installing, you install everything, all of them at once. Now I'm going to open up PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint. Yep, that's what I have. And it's, if I should open that back again, when you open, you see that you have to choose the blank presentation, or since we're having a fresh document, having a fresh presentation, it has to be a blank presentation, and which is what I just opened. Okay, I believe we'll all have passed up to this page. Now this is my PowerPoint. I can create animations with my PowerPoint. I can do presentation with my PowerPoint. Um, I can do some interesting things with my PowerPoint. What I'm going to look at today is just an introduction, and then as time goes on, we'll look at other things that we can do with the PowerPoint, including animation. You can do 2D animations with PowerPoint. That is where I intend to get up to using our PowerPoint. So if you follow me closely on this tutorial, you also join. We'll also look at how to create animations using our PowerPoint software. PowerPoint is beyond what we just look at normally, just our normal presentation. People use it to design cards, documentary cards, and all that. But let's just start. For every layman that doesn't know how to use PowerPoint, that doesn't know how to use any of the applications, you have your menus here. These are your menus, and then these are your ribbons. Your home ribbon, your insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, and view. Okay, so we're going to start with the file. With file, we can decide to open a new PowerPoint presentation. We can open an existing one. Opening a new one is what we just did there. Opening a blank new PowerPoint. If I'm to open an existing one, I have several PowerPoints document here. So if I have to go to open, all I need to do is already on the open section. So all I need to do is click on any of this and it's going to pop out. I have save and I have save as. We can choose to save our documents. Now for this presentation, I'm going to save uh, this very PowerPoint as introduction. So let me go to save documents and then I type title. Oh, I'm saving it as a PowerPoint presentation. That's saved. Now that's saved. I can also choose to save it as different other things. So we're going to go back to save and see the different things you can save our documents as. So because we're going to look at that later on. Before I go further, the difference between save and save as is if I've saved this document before, and if I'm to click on save again, it doesn't pop out any menu. It doesn't pop out any dialog box. But it was while I had while I clicked on it the first time, it popped out the dialog box, allowing me to type the name of the file and also the location where I want it to be saved. So whenever I click on save, it only updates what I've already saved. But if I click on save as no matter how many times I click on save as, it will keep popping up the menu, the dialog box for me to be able to type, expecting that I want to change the location where my file is being saved, or I want to change the file name, or I want to change the save as type. We want to look at changing the save as, we want to look at save as type for our PowerPoint. That is what makes it different. The different formats you can save our PowerPoint as. What I'll be interested in pointing out is two different, that's the MPEG-4 video and Windows Media Video. I can also save as JPEG and PNG. Those are PNG, JPEG, they are picture format. Windows Media Video, MPEG video, they are video formats. Therefore means after creating my presentation, I can save it as a video, burn it to CD, put it in a flash, and watch what I've done with my television. You can get this feature from 2010, 2013, and also 2016. That means from 2010 upwards, you have this feature in PowerPoint. So this is what I wanted us to see. We're going to actually come back to see how we're going to explore saving with video. Because by the time we do a presentation and we're going to save it as a video, we're going to see how it's going to work. And I would also want you to practice and try that yourself. All right. Having seen how to save, let us also explore some other features. We're going to look at the different slides. This is called a slide. Here is a slide. Right now I have only one slide, that's why you see one here. If I decide to have more slides, I'm going to click on this and then see it pops out new slide, or I can choose to use the Control plus N to create a new slide. By clicking this, you see the slide panel, we have two slides. If I add another, If I add another, we have three slides. Now what does the slide do? Allows you to, we said it's a presentation, it's PowerPoint is used for presentation, it's used for animation. It can also be used for storyboards. You can also use it to create storyboards. We're going to talk about all that when we dive into animation proper. But for now, we're just going to look at what the slide can do and why it's useful. Here we have our first slide, and we can also change the layout of our slides. When you click, when the first slide usually comes with this click add title and subtitle, allowing you to, and then by default you have the click add title and add text. Believing that you're doing a presentation, let's assume you're creating a story. We can decide to say the story, the name of our story is Introduction to PowerPoint. And the subtitle is Tech Police, Police, Tech Police. So, we therefore means that's where we're getting. Our title is, here now we can come to click out, click the title. And what should we call this title? What should we create here? Mm, File menu. Or let me say, yes, let me say the file menu. In the file menu, what do we have? We have new, we have open, we have save, save as, print. Let's use this for now. And then next, we have our home ribbon. So let's go to the next slide, and then we type home. What do we have in our home? We have paste, cut, copy, new slide, layout, reset, section. And then we have, okay, I'm going to leave it at this point for the home. I'm going to create another slide for insert. I'm also going to create for design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, and view. All right, so we have 10 slides created. Now let me go back to this slide, and then I have my title. Insert should be the next in line. What do we have in insert? We still have new slide there. Table. Picture. Online picture. Screenshot. Photo album. Shapes. Smart app. Charts. Right. Now I still want to add most of this, and then my slide is it's reducing. So what I'll do, I have a slide. There's a slide layout that I can change it to. See this double, two content. This is just what I'm using is this very one, title and content. So what I have here is two contents. So by using two contents, this is what I get. I can continue at this other part if what I'm typing is too long. And you can see that the list is long, but the write-ups are not much. The length of the write-ups are not too lengthy, so I can do this. So going back to my inserts, I have regular stock charts. Okay, I'm going to continue from hyperlink, comment. No, let me continue from text box. Text box, header, and footer. Word art. Date and time. Slide number. Object. Equation. Symbol. Video. Audio. Screen record. All right. That's for insert. I'm going to the next one, which is design. What do I have for design? Okay. What I have for design is simply theme, variants, slide size, format background. So Next on our list is transition. All right, preview. Transition to slide. Effects option. Sound. Duration. Apply to all. Advanced slide. And mouse click. And after. Right. Going to the next is animation. Animation. When we get to the animation part, I'm going to talk about the different types of animation and why we can actually use PowerPoint to create a good animation for video view. You can use it to create adverts, animation. You can also use them to create short videos. Here we also have effects option. Add animation. Animation panel. Animation pan. Trigger. Animation painter. Start. Duration. Delay. Reorder animation. Move earlier. Move later. So that's what we're looking at for animation. Now we go over to slideshow. In slideshow we have from beginning. From current slide. Present online. Custom slideshow. Setup slideshow. Hide slide. We have timing, record slideshow, play narration, use timing, show media control, monitor, use presenter view. Alright, we still have two more to go. We have two more to go. Actually, let's talk about formats. We're going to look at formats. Okay, for each of them we go to look at formats. I think that's what we should do. So now I'm at review. Spelling, thesaurus, smart lookup, translate, language, new comment, delete, previous, next, show comment, compare, accept, reject, previous, next, reviewing pane, end review, start input. This is too small. Alright, but you can still remember how to separate them if you want. We'll be looking at, we've already seen that, so let's look at view, and let's see what we're going to be looking at in view. Okay, so we have normal, outline view, slide sorter, notes page, reading view, slide master, handout. grid lines, guides, note, zoom, keys, okay, color, gray, black and white, new window, arrange all, ASCII, new script, map. Alright, these are all we'll be looking at in our PowerPoint tutorial. We would see all of this accordingly, and then we're going to work with this very document. I'm going to make this available to you so to help you as a guideline to know what you're going to achieve at the end of the day, what you're expecting. And before I end this segment, I want you to know that the objective of this training is to allow you to know how to use PowerPoint up to the extent of creating animations, creating short videos, creating adverts with PowerPoint. See you in the next class as we look at what we can do with homes, other features in homes. Thanks for watching.